today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We off to
Typhoon Lagoon.
well, here we go. Remember it now? Still don't remember it?
I don't even remember the entrance one.
Oh,
I only remember the crocodile.
don't you?
Yeah.
Well, this way we bring you if you lost children. When you come in, get
go to the
towels
shack.
from there, and because we're hotel guests, you get them for free.
Yeah, just waiting on Ryan.
Just waiting on Ryan,
You
who's
have
in
to
the
pay for
toilet.
them if you're not.
Yes.
Well, you have to rent.
You have to rent them like you would have had to at Universal.
Did we have to rent them?
We bought our own towels to Universal because I'd read that you had to rent them. I go put that back there, then we're going on some rides now, yeah? Yes, no? Yeah, you enjoyed it?
It's a bit heavier now, so now Short's got straight up his bum.
Do you go wedgie? Why, which one are you going now? So
These are the ones that you did last time. What was wrong with that one, Phil?
I don't like it.
Why?
Right up my nose.
When they should keep your nose closed.
I don't keep my nose closed. I have to cross my arms.
Good.
That got very wet, but was very quick.
Here?
It was good.
Typhoon Lagoon.
Lunch was from here.
Typhoon Lagoon nachos were nicer than Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay ones were chili. These were all pork.
Enjoy your chicken strips.
Yeah. I wanted one of my own though.
At Typhoon Lagoon, and what did you have to have?
Pineapple Dole.
Strawberry daiquiri. Oh, one of my favourites. Oh, don't drip all the booze out. What's Ryan complaining about?
Oh, she's off. Say bye, Thea. Bye, Thea. And there's the doofus, feet out. What are you doing?
Oh, there you are.
Ryan being a pain. And one for the feet funds out there. Try and pay for our next Disney trip. We're a floating star, but Ryan is the dumb star at the back. Yeah. Yeah. That's what she said. Whee! We're going to follow Mum around this ride.
We had a fun morning at Typhoon Lagoon, and now we're off to Disney Springs to go see the drone show. Are you excited? Yeah. Sure, because you both look miserable.
11 o'clock in England.
Yeah. We're here. Thea's desperate to go to Soar. First of all, we're going to go get food at Glaze.
Yeah, because I'm hungry. Me and this dude are waiting for some dinner because we're ordering and it's taking forever. Just kidding. They have to wait a night, but yeah.
Pizza's ordered, just waiting in the same spot we did 2 years ago. Ryan is as good a company as ever.
Yep.
Pizza's arrived. We have to bring ketchup from home. Is it as good as you remember?
Yeah.
Best pizza this whole day or not?
Yeah.
No, what was the best?
Which hotel? Last night's or Universal?
So what pizza did you get?
We've got a carnivore, so it's got meatballs, ham, pepperoni, and then it's got a balsamic glaze over the top.
It's nice. Tuck in, everyone. How much out of 5? 4. 4. Right. 4. Daddy?
4 out of 5.
Pardon?
4 out of 5.
The balsamic vinegar on top, I like that. And it, with tip, came to just under $50. We've got alcoholic drinks as well, so I don't think that's too bad for a family to eat out. Where are we going?
You're going to the worst place.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I got some wild watermelon.
What did
She
you
should
get?
not have gone in with mummy. I let her have that hand sanitizer. I said she couldn't get it for her birthday because it was too expensive.
Oh, okay. Come on then.
Yeah, looking at the balloon.
That where the drone show comes.
No. Bit further along. Kids really wanted to come to the Coca-cola bar at the top last time, and it was never open, so we're going there now. Surely we're going to take in the lift.
Hey, we're getting steps in.
You bought him a coat float. When are you going to learn?
They don't like anything new.
Ryan, what do you think? Beer?
Secret clips with me and Thea. What are we going to talk about? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Today we're going to be talking about all the best rides from each park. What do you think is the best ride from Magic Kingdom?
Probably. No. Tron.
I would have to agree because it's something that's needed.
Why are you talking like that?
Best from Hollywood.
Tower of Terror.
Oh,
Slay.
I quite like Toy Story Mania.
Yeah. Oh, let's come back.
And talk over the copyright.
No.
Let's go.
You tired?
Yep. Will's gone to get drinks and then we're going to go watch the drone.
Lovely thing.
Me up when it's all over.
Is this copyrighted? Copyright.
Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
There it is, Wendy. Second start to the right and straight on till morning.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The boiler's not even flying off! Don't move!
You're flying! You're flying!
The wilderness must be explored.
I want to learn to use the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
Good morning. We're 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you're good for
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Hey Max, wings. Thrusters. There's another name you might know me by.
Star Wars.
Infinity and beyond!
To how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Look, you can see the fireworks over there.
That was worth it.
Was it?
Thank you for
That
joining
was
us
great.
for Disney Dreams that Soar.
Okay.
AT&T.
A bit emotional.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your
Enjoy
evening
that.
here
Yeah.
at Disney Springs.
Come on then, stay
As you
close.
continue
Enjoy
your
it.
journey,
That was really good.
Wait, when does Disney Springs close?
to new
Huh?
When does Disney Springs
Midnight.
I like Dumbo the most.
Dumbo the most. What was your favourite bit?
I really liked the Wally bit.
Wally, you?
I like the Baymax bit.
Yeah, those are my 2 favourites, Baymax and
This
Wally.
bit at the end made